Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Kind of Life, welcome to the channel. What we have here are landscaping lights by Gardenreet. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got here today and set it up by using the wire that they also provided us. So we got a low wattage, 100-foot wire and a low wattage 75-watt transformer to help make this install a success. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what's inside the box and set it up. And then we'll also check out the well lighting, which is right here. And what comes with the light bulb also, that just popped out of there. Your instruction guide as well, and the light itself. And exactly the same setup. You got two wires on this as well, positive, negative. Connect them all together, and this just goes in the ground. So that'll look really nice. Only got 3 of them just to kind of see how it looks. We may add more later on. Now to take a closer look at the transformer itself, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the top on this to expose what's inside. Now you do need this. They do have a variety of different type of wattage, so depending on what type of lighting or how powerful you need, they offer a pretty wide range of that too. As soon as you open it up, you have a dial, which is your timer to automatically turn your lights on and off. To run the wire through, just punch one of the holes and use the appropriate volt. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hook this up and show you guys how it looks. And then we're gonna be doing the transformer. We actually got an outlet right in front of my house. So we're gonna be connecting it right there. So we got the wires already hooked up, ready to go. So the transformer does have a timer on here. This is what you set up. So there's different pins all around. So depending on what time it is, so it's about, well, it's not the right time, but I put it at for 7 p.m. till about midnight or so. That's when the lights are gonna go on. So that's where it's gonna program it. Then I'm also installing this floodlight on this side. So the well lighting, so we're gonna put those in too. Got it all hooked up, wired. And then we're just gonna put 2 more. I'm gonna dig the hole and then just kind of space them apart. Just gonna put some more topsoil to cover it up a little bit better, but these lights look really cool. They're really bright. And now to see the final result, I think it looks amazing.